Guys, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of lag on ChatGPT. We click on settings. Here we click on apps, default apps, app settings. Then we will search about ChatGPT. Here in this page of app info, you will click on force stop and you will click OK. Here you will click on storage. Then we click on clear cache. Here you will turn off your Wi-Fi and you will turn on your Wi-Fi again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching and your attention.